And if you are watching this video, it's not such a good thing. Either I'm dead or I'm in a very, very, very bad situation.
وعلى رأس الذي يحرص على
Hello, my name is Latif Al Maktoum. I was born on December 5, 1985. My mom is Huriya Ahmed Lamara. She's from Algeria. My father is the Prime Minister of UAE and the ruler of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Said Al Maktoum. He has 3 daughters called Latifa. I'm the middle one. There's one older than me and one younger than me. And I'm making this video because it could be the last video I make. Yeah. Pretty soon I'm going to be leaving somehow, and I'm not so sure of the outcome, but I'm 99% positive it will work. And if it doesn't, then this video can help me, because all my father cares about is his reputation. He will kill people to protect his own reputation. He only cares about himself and his ego. So this video could save my life. And if you are watching this video, it's not such a good thing. Either I'm dead or I'm in a very, very, very bad situation. He's crazy. I think it's time that he faces the consequences of all the things that he's done in his life. He will. He will definitely face the consequences. No matter what he does to me. All the torture, everything, I'm not scared of him. He doesn't scare me. He's pathetic. Pathetic human being. And he's going to face the consequences of everything he's done. Not just to me, but to everyone else. He will face the consequences.